Mastering YouTube Shorts thumbnails, tips to boost clicks and engagement. If you're creating content on YouTube, you know the importance of standing out in a sea of videos. With YouTube Shorts rapidly gaining popularity, it's essential to grab viewers' attention quickly. One of the most effective ways to do this is by creating eye-catching YouTube Shorts thumbnails. Thumbnails are a critical part of short-form video marketing and can play an important role in driving viewer engagement. In this guide, we'll explore why YouTube Shorts thumbnails are so important, best practices for designing them, and some tools and tips to help you create thumbnails that get clicks. With recent changes to linking in YouTube Shorts and tried and true methods to post YouTube Shorts on Instagram, Shorts are a great strategy to drive views to your long-form videos, so you'll definitely want to grab attention. Why YouTube Shorts thumbnails are so important. Thumbnails act as the first impression of your video. When scrolling through endless shorts, viewers usually make their decisions based on two things, the video's title and the thumbnail. Since Shorts autoplay in the Shorts feed, some creators assume thumbnails don't matter. That's a mistake, and an opportunity. Your YouTube Shorts thumbnail still appears in search results, channel pages, suggested videos, the Shorts shelf before autoplay kicks in. That means a compelling thumbnail can be the deciding factor in whether someone clicks your short or scrolls past. Thumbnails also help with branding consistency. By using the same fonts, colors, and imagery across videos, you make your channel instantly recognizable. Strong, consistent thumbnails build trust and set expectations for the content that follows. Fortunately, YouTube has made it easier to create YouTube Shorts thumbnails that stand out. Best practices for YouTube Shorts thumbnails. Creating a compelling thumbnail is more than just picking a random frame from your video. Here are some best practices to design YouTube Shorts thumbnails that stand out. Use bold text and eye-catching images. You have only a split second to capture attention. Use large, bold text that's easy to read on a small screen. Pair it with a striking image such as a close-up of a product, an expressive face, or a key scene from your short. Make sure the text complements, rather than overwhelms, the image. Optimize thumbnails for mobile viewers. Over 70% of YouTube traffic comes from mobile devices. That percentage is even higher for Shorts. On a small screen, small details are just clutter. Your text should be large and high contrast, and your imagery should be clear at a glance. Always test your thumbnail at a reduced size to see how it looks on mobile. Keep it simple and focused. The best YouTube Shorts thumbnails highlight a single idea. Don't overcrowd with too many elements, tiny logos, or excessive text. Aim for one focal image plus a few impactful words. Show emotion with faces. Thumbnails with faces attract more attention than graphics or text alone. If it fits your content, include a clear facial expression that matches the emotion of your video. This creates a human connection and draws viewers in. Stay consistent with your branding. Include your logo, brand colors, or signature style in every thumbnail. Over time, this makes your channel instantly recognizable and helps build trust with viewers. Tools to design YouTube Shorts thumbnails. You don't need to be a designer to create professional thumbnails. Here are some of the most popular tools for creators. TubeBuddy, a YouTube certified tool with a built-in thumbnail generator. You can test different designs, use templates, and even run A/B tests to see which thumbnails drive higher click-through rates. Canva, beginner-friendly with plenty of ready-made thumbnail templates. Upload your own images, add text, and customize colors to match your channel. Adobe Express, a more advanced option for creators who want flexible design controls. You can add filters, effects, and custom branding to make your thumbnails stand out. Thumbnail design tips for higher CTR on YouTube Shorts. Once you've chosen a tool, use these design tips to maximize your click-through rate, CTR. Use contrasting colors. Bright, bold contrasts make your thumbnail pop in a crowded feed. Test multiple variations. A/B test your thumbnails with TubeBuddy. A/B testing for YouTube. or YouTube experiments to see which performs best. Check the mobile view. Always shrink your design down and preview it as it would appear on a smartphone. Avoid clickbait. Misleading thumbnails may boost clicks in the short term but will hurt watch time and audience trust. A simple workflow for creating YouTube Shorts thumbnails. Choose a high-quality frame or upload a custom image. Add bold text that clearly communicates the value of your short. Apply contrasting colors to make it pop. Test how it looks at small sizes on mobile. Upload to YouTube and, if possible, run A/B tests for performance. Common mistakes to avoid with YouTube Shorts thumbnails. Using tiny, unreadable text. Overcrowding with too many elements. Letting YouTube pick a random frames instead of choosing an intentional image. Forgetting to test visibility on mobile. Using clickbait that doesn't match the content. Conclusion: improve your YouTube Shorts with better thumbnails. Thumbnails are one of the most important factors in the success of your shorts. They help you stand out in search results, attract clicks from the shorts shelf, and build consistent branding across your channel. By focusing on bold visuals, simple messaging, and mobile-first design, you can create YouTube Shorts thumbnails that increase your CTR and boost engagement. Combine these best practices with tools like TubeBuddy, Canva, and Adobe Express, and you'll be able to produce thumbnails that truly make your shorts shine. Start testing and refining your thumbnails today and watch your shorts performance improve.